Let's just get you breaking news coming in, and this is in regard to the Prime Minister abuse row that has escalated, and now Rahul Gandhi taking a take as well, saying Maro or Todo is the call that is being adopted. Beat and break as much as you want is what Rahul Gandhi has gone on to react after the BJP-Congress clash in Bihar. This is because of the abusive language that was used during the rally, and that is something that the BJP has, objected to. There are many people coming out, particularly Amit Shah, who has been coming out and saying that this is the lowest low as far as the oldest grand party is concerned. And that, Rahul Gandhi needs to apologize for those that abusive language and for the comment that was made against Prime Minister Modi and his mother. So this is, of course, the BJP coming out in full attack mode when it comes to the Congress party. But clashes that took place, do remember that there were flags that were being held by Congress workers and BJP workers taking to the streets. And this was an attack that took place with both sides attacking each other and blaming each other for initiating the attack. One saying that, stones were thrown by the other party. And of course, that is what the Congress said, that the BJP started it, while the BJP is saying that it was the Congress that started to throw stones while they were conducting a peaceful march, a peaceful rally, while using flags of their respective parties. But there you can see that, attack that took place between both the parties, taking to the streets, not taking the comments made, the abusive language that was used. Now, do remember one arrest also has been made in this case. The man who made those comments has been taken into custody. But of course, the Congress government there, washing his hands off. Of course, Rahul Gandhi washing his hands off as to what was really said at the event. Do remember, this is a yatra that is being held, the Voter Adhikari Yatra that's being held, a 16-day yatra by Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav. So there are multiple people of the Congress, from different states that are participating in this yatra. But now Rahul Gandhi, in his veiled dig, has gone on to say, beat and break as much as you want. This is after the clashes that, played out on the streets in Bihar, the clashes that took place. We have Padmaja joining us. Padmaja, take us through, Rahul Gandhi's veiled attack when it comes to the BJP.
That is correct. In fact, Rahul Gandhi has just about 8 minutes ago, he has tweeted and said, सत्य और अहिंसा के आगे असत्य और हिंसा टिक नहीं सकते, मारो और तोड़ो, जितना मारना तोड़ना है, हम सत्य और संविधान की रक्षा करते रहेंगे, सत्यमेव जयते. He of course hasn't alluded to what exactly he is talking about, but it's quite clear that this is in response, or this could be in response to what has happened not just in Gardani Bagh, which is where the Congress office is in Patna, where today there were clashes between workers of the BJP and Congress. There was also vandalism at the Congress office in Patna, but similar protests were also reported from other parts of the country. At least in Kolkata also a similar protest has taken place. What is also interesting, Divya, is that so far there has been no direct response from Rahul Gandhi on the abuse that took place in a rally during the Vote Adhikar Yatra. Of course, Rahul Gandhi wasn't present at the spot, but since then a Congress worker has been arrested. One of the main accused, in fact one of the people against whom complaints have also been filed, is a worker of the Congress. He allegedly was also associated with the Youth Congress earlier. So complaints have been filed in Bihar, multiple complaints related to the abuse episode, but no direct response to that. Before this particular tweet, which has come about 10 minutes ago, the last tweet from Rahul Gandhi came about 16 hours ago, where he said, बेगुनाह इल्जाम लगने पर चुप नहीं बैठता और चोर पकड़े जाने पर खामोश हो जाता है, which roughly translate to that if somebody is innocent, they do not stay quiet when any allegation is leveled against them. But if somebody is a thief, if somebody is guilty, they immediately go quiet. It's been about 18 hours now since this entire controversy started about dirty abuses being hurled from a Congress stage towards the Prime Minister and his late mother. No direct response from Rahul Gandhi, but now that this vandalism and clashes have taken place, this is his first response on that, although no direct reference. Back to you.
Right, Padmaja, thank you so much for getting us those details. While Amit Shah, the Home Minister, is demanding an apology by Rahul Gandhi, says that you need to apologize not just to Prime Minister Modi, but to his late mother and to the people of the country. And that is, asking for God to give wisdom to everyone. It's the message that, Amit Shah put out, and of course saying that this is the lowest level that the Congress party has reached.